How to sign out of your Zoom account. So first of all, launch Zoom app on your mobile devices. Then go ahead and launch Zoom application. From here, go ahead and select on your profile picture icon at the top left corner. From here, go ahead and select on Settings. Then you'll see the option of Sign Out. Tap on it. Then simply choose any accounts you wish to log out of. If you have multiple accounts, you would be able to see it here on this page. Since I have only one single account, only one account has been showing. Then let's tap on Sign Out. Now simply tap on Sign Out on this pop-up. So with that, you will successfully be able to log out of your Zoom account. That's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.